identify Floating Aid Logistic Hub. Floating Aid Logistic Hub is a vessel or offshore platform used to store, process, and distribute humanitarian aid in disaster-stricken or conflict areas, especially where land-based logistics are difficult. While this approach can be highly effective, several challenges exist in current practice. Okay, next is key challenge in current practice. We have three key challenges. First one is infrastructure and port limitation. Many disasters affect areas like deep water ports or adequate docking facilities, making it difficult for floating hubs to operate efficiently. Next, coordination and communication. Multiple stakeholders such as government, NGO, military force, and private companies must coordinate, but inconsistent communication can lead to delays. In conflict zone, political and security concerns complicate access and operation. The last one is security threats. Floating hubs near conflict zone or unstable regions may face piracy, terrorist threats, and theft of supplies. Armed escort or security personnel may be needed, increasing operational costs. So that's all from me. Thank you.
So next part is the proposed solutions, innovative floating aid logistic hub inventory management strategy. First is the flexibility in deployment. The hub can be relocated to conflict or disaster zone, offering quick, flexible response with weather-resistant operations. It handles freight, store supplies, and provide makeshift aid facilities. Integrated with a digital platform, it improves coordinations, reduce transit times and costs, and can be rapidly assembled or disassembled as needed. So second is combining humanitarian network with integrations by collaborating with agencies like USAID and WFP platform. Like for example, it's Hulo that improve coordinations, efficiency, and environmental impact in real life effort. They optimize resource use, reduce duplications, and implement digital system for inventory, communications, and real-time tracking. Through partnership and training, Hulo strengthens supply chain management and builds capacity while ensuring rapid response with pre-positioned equipment and regional contract. For you guys know, Hulo is the humanitarian logistic platform designed to enhance coordinations and efficiency in disaster relief and humanitarian aid effort. Hulo is created in New Zealand. So third is integrations of technologies such as AI, optimize routes, reduce costs, and predict demand with machine learning. IoT sensor ensure cargo safety, and real-time tracking enhance visibility. A secure ledgers prevent fraud, while automation and robots streamline operations. Virtual simulation test, logistic method, and remote access enables global monitoring. Scalable infrastructure support rapid growth, while GPS and telematics optimize route and performance. Comprehensive platform boosts efficiency. So the last one is aspect of sustainability. The hub focus on sustainability by using wind and solar power, energy efficient system, and electric or hybrid propulsions. It optimize roads, implement recycling, and manage hazard waste. Environmental impact is assessed through regular EIA, and global standards are followed. The hub lowers emissions through supply chain optimizations, promote eco-friendly transportation, and incorporates water-saving technologies. It also partners with sustainable business and include design features for climate resilience. So next part is technologies involved, robotic and automation in floating logistic hub for aid. For example, is AGV and MRI use sensor, AI, and robotics to efficiently move, sort, and package goods, improving speed and reducing error. They work alongside human and robot in flexible, dynamic logistic environment, handling tasks like inventory control and order picking. Automated convenient belt streamline good movement, while sorting robot categorize item before final processing. So second is digital coordination platform. Digital community hubs enable effective interactions which impact communities, gathering real-time data to inform decisions and ensure target aid. Digital tools facilitate coordinations and data sharing among government and NGO, while social media help mobilize resources and spread crucial information. The hub aligns with existing coordination structure like the UN Humanitarian Cluster system for a comprehensive response. So the third one is features for protections against natural hazard. The hub rhombus design ensures stability against harsh weather, which reliable anchoring and buoyancy for fluctuating water level, advanced weather forecasting aids in early warnings and timely evacuations, backup power system, safety gear and routine maintenance ensure continuous operations during disaster. Regular emergency training keeps staff prepared for efficient disaster response. So other technologies involved that we can use as the example is like CCTV camera used as the security measure to keep an eye on the building, protocol for secure communication for an exchanging sensitivity data. Next one is energy efficiency. So we need lessen dependence on fossil fuel, include wind turbines or solar panel built into the structure. So the last one is software tools, for examples like warehouse management system WMS and transportation management system TMS that are tailored for maritime operations is known as logistics software integrations. So the next part for me is discuss the solutions relevant to humanitarian context. Benefit of floating aid logistic hub for accessibility. A floating hub provides quick, flexible relief in area where infrastructure is damaged, especially near remote coastal or isolated settlements. It's adapt to harsh conditions and shifting needs, making aid deliver faster and more cost effective. Other than that is improve efficiency and coordinations. Digital platform streamline communications, inventory management and shipment tracking, while software like TMS optimize logistic collaborations with agencies like WFP ensure coordinated aid distributions, reduce duplications and improve resource sharing. Better coordination between military and humanitarian groups ensure smooth emergency response integrations. So additionally, flexibility in emergency circumstances, the floating hub enables rapid deployment near affected area, adapting to changing crisis need. It supports flexible operations like freight handling and medical supply distributions and integrate with emergency management system for real-time update. Modular components allow quick expansions of contractions, while AI and automation enhance flexibility in response tactic. Other than that is mitigation of security challenge, close collaboration with local security, ensure safety, addressing threats like attack or looting, surveillance tools like drones and CCTV monitor the area while encrypted communication protects sensitivity data. Regular training prepares staff for emergency and access control and physical barriers secure the hub. Lastly is scalability and quick reaction skills. The modular designs allow the hub to adjust capacity and operation such as freight or medical supply handling based on crisis needs. Collaborating with existing logistic network ensure efficient scaling during emergency.
Today, I'll walk you through our implementation plan for the floating humanitarian logistic. This project will help deliver and quickly and efficient to disaster-prone areas. Let's go through the key steps. First is objective. Our first step is to define what the project will do, including its key function and logistic needs. Next, we identify the best location for deployment by studying disaster-prone areas. Finally, we conduct feasibility studies to check funding option, environmental impact, and regulatory requirements. Number 2 is design and engineering. In this phase, we create a modular and flexible hub design that can be adapted for different situations. We'll integrate renewable energy sources like solar and wind, along with smart logistic technology for tracking supplies. The design will follow international maritime and humanitarian standards to ensure safety and efficiency. Number 3 is construction and assembly. Once the design is ready, we build the hub in a shipyard or modular facility. We install storage, docking stations, security system, and automations. to make sure the hub operates smoothly. Number 4 is deployment and initial operations. After construction, we'll deploy the hub to disaster-prone areas. We'll work with local governments and aid agencies to test real-time delivery and ensure the system works efficiently. Number 5 is full-scale operation and optimizations. Once fully operational, we'll focus on efficiency and monitoring. AI-driven forecasting will help us predict demand and optimize supply chains, while security measures will keep operations running smoothly. The last one is continuous improvement and expansions. We will continue upgrading the hub, expanding to new locations, and improving sustainability with low-emission logistics and green energy solutions.
Assalamualaikum. My name is Ahmad Nazrul Saki bin Muhammad. My maintain number DLM 04230007. Today I want to explain about the impact assessment of an aid distribution solution. Number 1, improving efficiency. Example for improving efficiency is faster delivery. It can be automated logistics and optimized routes, reduce delays. Smarter resource allocation. It can be AI predicts demand, ensuring it reaches the right places. Streamline operation, digital system cuts paperwork and speed up decision making. Number 2, reducing waste, preventing oversupply and expiry. Real-time tracking avoid excess stock and spoilage. Targeted distribution, smart tracking ensures aid goes directly to those in need. Eco-friendly practice, sustainable packaging and transport reduce costs and environmental impact. Lastly, enhancing equity. For the enhancing equity, it can be fair distribution, which is data ensure it reaches the most vulnerable first. Transparency and accountability. Digital tracking prevent corruption and mismanagement. Inclusive access. Solutions are designed for all, considering language, disability, and gender needs. This solution ensure faster, fairer, and more sustainable and distribution, maximizing impact where it's needed most. That's all. Thank you.
The Floating Aid Logistic Hub is a groundbreaking innovation in humanitarian crisis response. It is designed to ensure rapid deployment, efficient inventory management, and uninterrupted aid distribution, especially in disaster-stricken coastal areas. Point number 1 is rapid deployment and efficient aid distribution. One of the biggest challenges in disaster response is getting aid to affect areas quickly. The Floating Aid Logistic Hub enhances crisis response by ensuring that supplies can be delivered efficiently and without unnecessary delays. Point number 2, bypassing damaged infrastructure. In many disasters, roads, bridges, and ports become inaccessible, making traditional logistics unreliable. This hub modular structure allows it to bypass damaged infrastructure, reaching even the most isolated coastal disaster zone with critical aid. Point number 3, optimize supply chain efficiency. To improve efficiency, the Floating Aid Logistic Hub integrates AI-driven logistics, IoT, monitoring, and digital inventory system. These technologies help streamline operation, ensuring that resources are allocated effectively and nothing goes to waste. Point number 4, reducing waste and delays. With real-time inventory tracking and data-driven decision-making, the hub minimizes resource wastage and prevents aid bottleneck, ensuring that supplies reach those in need as quickly as possible. Point number 5, sustainable and secure operation. Sustainability and security are key priorities. The Floating Aid Logistic Hub operates in renewable energy such as solar and wind power, ensuring long-term functionality. It is also equipped with advanced security measures to protect supplies and prevent disruption. Point number 6, improve accessibility and crisis adaptability. With its ability to navigate difficult terrain and adapt to different crisis situations. This hub improves aid accessibility, it strengthens operational resilience and ensures that relief effort can continue smoothly no matter the challenge. For the last point, leveraging emerging technologies. By incorporating advanced technology, strategic coordination and sustainable solutions, the floating aid logistic hubs is revolutionizing disaster relief. It makes humanitarian response faster, more efficient and more sustainable than ever before. With the floating aid logistic hub, we are not just improving disaster response, we are setting a new standard for humanitarian aid. By combining innovation with efficiency, we can save more lives, reduce suffering, and build a more resilient future for communities and crises.